So today we are going to start your new chapter, that is MS Word. So let's start. So I'm going to take a blank document over here. So first we'll see the screen elements of the MS Word window. This is your MS Word window. At the top there is a title bar which shows the name of the application. Here it is MS Word, and the name of the document. Here it is document 1. By default it shows document 1. At the top left corner there comes a customized toolbar. कस्टमाइज क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार ये कंटेन करता है आपके फ्रिक्वेंटली यूज्ड कमांड्स को, सच एज सेविंग अ डॉक्यूमेंट एंड क्रिएटिंग अ न्यू डॉक्यूमेंट एक्सेट्रा. बाय डिफॉल्ट इट शोज 3 कमांड्स. फर्स्ट इज सेव, undo and redo. And underneath the title bar there comes the file button. ये यूज करते हैं हम क्रिएट करने के लिए डॉक्यूमेंट को, सेव, प्रिंट एक्सेट्रा. Then comes tabs, which is located below the title bar. So tabs are the various tab buttons are home, insert, design, layout, reference, etc. Underneath the tabs there comes the ribbon. So this is your ribbon control, which shows the जो आपको various commands को show करता है जो organized होती हैं एक logical group में, such as font, paragraph, styles, etc. And groups are collected together under each tab. So home has his own, insert has its own collection of commands, then design, etc. Then comes ruler. So ruler is it shows the ongoing page measurement. आपको measurement show करता है and अब you can आपको quick access देता है margin set करने के लिए, tabs या indent set करने के लिए. At the bottom most part there is a status bar. This is your status bar. So आपको यहाँ पे important information कि आपने कौन सा डॉक्यूमेंट खोला हुआ है या आप कौन से पेज नंबर, सच एज पेज नंबर कौन सा है आपका या कॉलम नंबर कौन सा है, एंड द नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स इट शोज इन अ स्टेटस बार. देन in the status bar only at the left bottom corner there comes the view buttons. So read mode, print layout, web layout, and by default we work on print layout. After that comes zoom out and zoom in button. So zoom out, you're decreasing the percentage of the page, and zoom in, you are increasing the value of the page, increasing the page size. So by default it is 100%. At the top right corner there are 3 buttons, that is minimize. It minimizes the whole application. It reduces and it is shown in a taskbar. Then comes maximize and restore button. It changes the size of the application and restores to the original size. Then comes close. It closes the application. So now we'll see the file button options. So this is your home where you can take a new document or you can select the given template if you want to work on. And underneath the new there is a recent. The recent files are being shown here. आप यहाँ से अपनी कोई भी फाइल को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, जो भी आपके recent डॉक्यूमेंट है जिस पे आप काम कर रहे हैं या existing documents हैं, you can access from here. Then comes new. New, the shortcut for new is Ctrl+N. It creates a new document. Like I selected a blank document, आप यहाँ से blank document select कर सकते हैं या online templates भी access कर सकते हैं. You can select from here also. Then comes open. It opens an existing document with a different name. आपको कोई भी फाइल ब्राउज करनी है या कोई भी previous फाइल को ओपन करना है, you will use the open command. The shortcut for open is Ctrl+O. Info. It gives the information about the document. आपके document की सारी informations आपको provide करता है. Then comes save. Save. It saves the document. The shortcut for save is Ctrl+S. Then comes save as. It saves a copy of a document. आपको कोई भी document की copy save करनी है, you can save through save as command. Then comes print. It previews and prints the document. And the shortcut for print is Ctrl plus P. Then share. If you want to share your document through email, you can do through दिस ऑप्शन. आप इसमें सेव कहाँ, पहले आप डॉक्यूमेंट को सेव करेंगे कहाँ पे, वन ड्राइव लोकेशन पे, देन यू कैन फॉरवर्ड इट थ्रू ईमेल्स. देन कम्स एक्सपोर्ट. यू कैन एक्सपोर्ट योर डॉक्यूमेंट इन अ फॉर्म ऑफ PDF. It will just preserve your formatting and the changes cannot be made easily. आप इसमें changes easily नहीं कर सकता कोई. Then comes close. It will close the application and you will exist from the MS Word application. Now let's discuss about the ribbons. So ribbon, what is ribbon? Ribbon is an organized structure of various command button used in MS Office program. क्या है? एक ऑर्गेनाइज स्ट्रक्चर है, वेरियस कमांड्स बटन होंगे जो आप यूज करते हैं MS Word, MS Office प्रोग्राम्स में. So ये ऑर्गेनाइज होते हैं आपके लॉजिकल ऑर्डर में, in a logical group. So first we'll see the home tab. So it contains the command buttons for copying, paste, moving the text, formatting, paragraph, changing style, etc. So these buttons are organized in 4 groups. First is clipboard, second is font, then paragraph, then style and editing. Next up is insert tab. So in insert, आप टेबल इंसर्ट करना चाहते हैं, पिक्चर्स, शेप्स, क्लिप आर्ट्स, डेकोरेट करना चाहते हैं टेक्स्ट को, यू कैन do it with the insert tab. So these are divided in groups. First is page, table, illustrations, add-ins, media, links, comments, header and footer, text and symbols. Next up is design. If you want to design your page और document formatting करना है तो आप यहाँ से कर सकते हैं. So you can access themes, your style sets over here, color, font and backgrounds. So it is divided in 2 sections, 2 groups, document formatting and page backgrounds. Next up is layout. If you want to set the page layout, the orientation, the margins you have to set, the size of the page. By default we work on A4. So it is divided in 3 groups: page setup, paragraph and arrange. So next is reference. So it contains command buttons for inserting table of content, footnotes, endnotes, captions, etc. in your document. ये organized हैं 7 groups में: the table of content, footnote, research, bibliography, caption, index and table of authorities. So next comes mailing. It contains command buttons for mail merging, which is an important feature of word processing. It is used for creating letters. आप letters create कर सकते हैं, email messages create कर सकते हैं with same content for different receptionists. So it is organized in 5 groups: create, start mail merge, write and insert field, preview result and finish. Next comes review. In review tab, if you want to check your spellings and grammatical errors, or if you want to track the changes जो आपने document में बनाए हैं, आप review tab की command से check कर सकते हैं, use कर सकते हैं. और it is organized in 6 groups: proofing, language, comment, tracking, change, compare, protect and ink. Your next up is view. So in the view button, it contains the command button of viewing the document in different layout. आप different layout में अपने document को view कर सकते हैं और zoom levels आपको show करता है. It is organized in 6 groups: view, page movement, show, zoom, window, macro and SharePoint. So in the next video, we'll discuss about the home tab and its formatting toolbar. Thank you.